All right, so that was a brief overview into the dynamic solvers. I know we did some graphing before, but I just want to show you what possibilities you have. With graphing, you can show one property, in this case, an outflow. We're looking at the element, which is an outflow, and we're looking at the property, which is flow. You can also compare over different scenarios. This is actually a picture of the workshop we just looked at. So same element over two different scenarios. Very useful when comparing our results. You can also do different elements. So here we're looking at pipes 4, 5, 13, and 9. Not only can you do that, you can look at different attributes. So here we're looking at one pump over two different scenarios and looking at two different attributes, flow and pump head. You could put background images. And in this graph series option is where you can select which scenarios you're going to use, which elements you're going to include, and which attributes you want to graph. We didn't get to play a lot with this, but in the chart options you can change the color of the series, you can make them in 3D, you can create patterns, labels, marks, etc. Very customizable. Always remember that to turn things on and off, you just check or uncheck them. The legend is outside, but you can also customize them. If you're looking at a graph and you don't like how many digits it's showing, you can switch to the Data tab and right-click on the units and change the display position to minimize that. Okay, here's some terminology: title, subtitle, foot, axis, title, axis label, marks, those numbers that we see on the graph. Yellow area is the panel, and the pink line in that case is what we refer to as the series. All right.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.